You want to set up a Pocket Option account and you don't know where to start from. No matter what device you are using for this, be it your smartphone, your tablet, your PC, or any other device at all, the only difference is the display. The process remains the same. Click the link in the description and it will bring you to the registration page on the screen. Now that we have that out of the way, let us dive straight into registering a Pocket Option account. To register a Pocket Option account, click the link in the description that will bring you to this registration page. And one of the advantages of using this link to register your account is getting a 50% one-time bonus after registration. This means if you are starting and depositing $100, you get $50 bonus, and if you are depositing $5,000, you get $2,500 bonus. Your deposit, your bonus, and whatever winnings you make after you start trading all are available for withdrawal. The first thing is to put in your email address. The next thing is to put in your password. Please make sure you put in a password that is a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letters, numbers, and at least a special character. The next thing is you click on I have read and accepted the following agreement, which is on the public offer page. Then click on this to check the box. Move on to I am not a robot. This is simply to verify you are human. Verify the process and click verify. Then click on sign up. If you want to make the process faster, you can as well register with your Facebook account or with your Google account by clicking on any of these two buttons. These will automatically import all your personal data from Facebook or from Google. Let's go on and click sign up. And congratulations, we have the very first step out of the way, and that is it for registering your Pocket Option account. Now the next thing we want to do is verify the account. Go into the email address you use for registration and you will find these two mails from Pocket Option. One is a welcome email which says welcome to Pocket Option, and the other is a confirmation email which says confirm your email address. Click on the confirmation email and it will open up this page where you see we have created a trading account accessible using your email address and password specified during registration. Use the provided link below to confirm registration and start trading. Click on confirm email. When you're back on Pocket Option, it will take you straight to the profile page. And why are we on the profile page? This takes us to the next step, which is the account verification process. The first set of information we want to verify is the identity information. As you can see on the screen, first we put in the first name. Click on this, put in your first name, click on the check button. Second, we want to put in the last name. Click on it, type it in. Make sure you're putting in the right information, then click check. We have the email address there already. Phone number is not required. You can put it for easier communication on, and we can move on to the date of birth. Click on empty and put in your date of birth. Kindly make sure you do not make a mistake, because your date of birth will be needed to verify the identity in the next phase of this verification process. Click on the checkbox and your date of birth has been selected. As you can see, identity status is unverified. This is simple. To start the verification process, please select the country of residence which is indicated on your ID document. Click on this and search for your country in this drop-down list, or simply type in your country and select confirm. Remember, once you confirm your country, you might not be able to change your country anymore. Move ahead to selecting the document type you have, be it your passport, your local ID, or your driver license. Let's go with passport. Put in your passport number. Then the last thing you need to do is select the image of your identity verification document, and the file types allowed ranges from GIF to JPEG to JPG, PNG, and PDF. Click on the choose file. Go to wherever you have this saved on your phone or your computer or any device you are using for this registration. Select the file and click upload. Once you upload your document, you see a message on the screen that says your document was uploaded. Please allow some time for our specialist to review it. This review process is done manually, so you want to give it some time, ranging from minutes to an hour or two. Sometimes when there is high volume of requests, this process might take up to 24 hours. But bear this in mind, it does not stop you from depositing into your account or trading on your account. Let's move on to the next phase of this verification process, which is social trading. This is where you can put your picture, your avatar. Click here, then select your avatar and it will be uploaded. Then you can decide to hide your profile or show your profile by the click of just this button. The last but not the least in this segment is the nickname. Click on this place, select the nickname you want to put in, Click on the check icon and this will save your nickname, or you can leave it at the default nickname Pocket Option as assigned to you. Let's move on to the next thing, which is the notification settings. As you can see below the email notifications, you can see subscribe to updates from managers, subscribe to company news, subscribe to company promotion, subscribe to company trading analysis, and so on and so forth. We can disable all these notifications all at once by selecting the first button and turning it off, or selecting which notification you want to turn off manually. So let's click on email notifications and disable this. So now that that is done, we now decide if we want sound notifications for our deposit, withdrawal, when you go into a trade, when you stop a trade, and so on and so forth. So activate the sound notification. If you want to change your account language, you can choose from the so many languages here. If you decide to delete your account in the near future, simply click on the delete and your account will be removed from Pocket Options. So that is simply how to verify your account on Pocket Options. And this takes us to the next phase of this video, which is how to claim your 50% bonus on your first deposit. If you look at the top of the screen, or the left or the right, depending on the device you are using for the registration process, you will see where it says get 50% bonus. Click on this and it will take you to the deposit page. If you want to learn how to deposit on Pocket Options in details, a video has been made for you. Click the link in the description that says how to deposit into a Pocket Option account. But briefly, let us discuss depositing into a Pocket Option account. So the first thing you need to do is to select the cryptocurrency you want to use. Now let's say you want to deposit via Litecoin or Tether or BTC, USDT coin, Dogecoin, any coin you have and you want to use in depositing, just select and it will take you to another page where you will see your bonus details. You can deposit a minimum of $50 to benefit from this promo, or you can deposit as much as $5,000 to benefit from this promo. Let's assume you are depositing $100. You can see you'll be receiving $150. Now let's assume you are depositing $1,000. As you can see on the screen, you'll be receiving $1,500. So let's say you want to get the best out of this first time deposit and you go as high as $5,000, you'll be credited $7,500 in your account. And this money is withdrawable, both your deposit, your bonus, and your profit. Once you start trading, the next thing is to click continue. Then this will bring you to the payment process where you see the wallet address or the barcode which you can easily scan and deposit into your account, or simply copy the address, put it into your wallet, and the exact amount you're supposed to deposit is right there on the screen. So once you make this transaction, immediately Pocket Option receives this money. It will be credited straight into your account, and that is simply how to make use of the 50% first time deposit bonus on your account. Once again, congratulations on setting up your Pocket Option account. If you do not understand how to trade on Pocket Option, we have a ton of videos on different strategies, tips, indicators, and everything else that can help you navigate the Pocket Option interface easily and profitably. To learn how to deposit again, you can click the link in the description that says how to deposit into Pocket Options. If you want to know how to withdraw from Pocket Options, click on the link that says how to withdraw from Pocket Options. If you have any question regarding trading, binary options, or Pocket Options specifically, you can use the link in the description that says contact Bilbridge, and you'll be able to chat with one of our representatives who will help guide you and assist you through whatever it is that you need help with. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with friends and family that you think may need this video and this video might be helpful too. You can drop a comment below and we will respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. My name is Tayo. This is Bilbridge. If you are new to Bilbridge, kindly click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell button to be the first to know when we post useful and helpful videos on this channel. Once again, my name is Tayo. This is Bilbridge, and stay profitable until next time.